Baby!
Hey!
Okay, where are you going to dress up like this?
I am going to see someone, a relation, yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, no problem. Baby, I've got good news for us.
Okay.
You can't believe this. My uncle called from California and he said, I will be coming to the States for my PhD. Can you imagine that? Isn't that incredible?
Incredible.
Right?
Incredible.
That is my ultimate dream. Check out my plans. By next year, I graduate. And no, get out to USA, get a job there. And the following year, I'm back to Nigeria, make you my wife. And finally, you and I relocate to America. Isn't that beautiful?
Shego, please, I will see you when I come back, okay?
Really?
I have to hurry, yes.
It's obvious you're not excited about this, are you?
Me? I'm excited. Come here, I'm excited. I'm very much excited. I will see you later, okay? My aunt is waiting for me. I will see you, okay?
You've never believed in me. She has never believed in my dreams. I think it's high time I leave her. Let her go. So that I can move on.
And some with much pride, power and wealth rules the world. Be careful in life, know who you are and what you are.
Hello, this way. This way. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're really an angel.
Thank you, sir. That's it.
Yeah. It's a good one.
Yes, yes.
A toast to my angel.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers. You're such a beautiful girl.
And you're so romantic.
You're welcome. How about your parents?
My parents? Huh. It's only my mother. My father threw us out when we were little and got married to one witch like that. Ever since then, I don't have anything to do with him. He's a useless, foolish man. He's the reason I'm suffering like this now.
You have siblings?
Yes. My other brother is in Kano. He's a trader in Kano. That one, he's foolish. He hardly comes back home since he married one Obanje from that side. Nobody eats his 1 naira, his 10 kobo. And my senior sister, hey, that one is the most foolish person I have seen in my life. She did not go to school. She just got married to one useless man, and you can imagine at the age of 24, she already has 5 kids. 5! You can imagine that. She's very stupid, foolish. And my younger brother, hey, that one, the smell. He's Just doing conductor up and down and smoking Igbo, Indian hemp, everything. I'm sure he has gone mad. It's a forgotten issue. Wasted.
Wow. What a family.
Yes, sir. What a family. That's why I want to make a difference. I want to make it in life. I want to touch money. Poverty is a disease.
Yeah. Poverty and ignorance are not good at all.
Yes, sir. It's not good at all. So I'm here. I want you to help me, sir. Help me. Help my ministry because I'm the one taking care of myself in school and it's not funny. It's really tough on me. Sir, please, I need your assistance. Oh, please.
It's okay. I will try my best for you.
Thank
Excuse
you.
me.
Chief.
Hello. Ha! Double chief. Chief. How are we, my brother? Exactly. I am busy right now, maybe. Okay.
Chief. The wine is so nice.
Well, like I said before, I will help you, but you must be a good girl.
Of course, sir. I will do anything and everything you want me to do. And I will equally give it to you very well. Anytime, any day.
By being a good girl, I mean, you must be honest and sincere. Not being dubious, jealous, mischievous, saucy and bitchy.
No, sir. I'm not like that. No. God forbid.
Really?
I'm not like that. No.
But your friends said that you're like that. That you quarrel, backbite, and blackmail others.
Me. My friends. Do you know any of my friends?
Of course I do.
Sir, so you weren't discussing me with Amaka. I thought this was supposed to be between us.
It was not only Amaka I discussed with you, I even discussed with my son.
Your son? I don't understand.
Well, my son knows you, he likes you, but not anymore. Yes, my son loves you until he found out you're blackmailing my daughter.
Your daughter?
Yeah.
I want you to I can see you're having a good time.
Yeah, with my new catch. She snatched me from Amaka.
Really? Venda, you snatched Chief from his own daughter? There she comes.
Oh, my baby. That's my baby. My yellow papa. My last bunny. How do you?
I'm fine.
Oh, my God.
Please, what is going on here?
You got it all wrong, girlfriend. Dan and I are siblings. And Chief Edward here, on 180 Love, the sugar daddy, is our father.
Oh, wow. Nkembo.
Benza, please sit down. Sit down, hold on. Sit down. Listen, Brenda. I didn't bring you here to humiliate you, but to help you because you really need help. You appear as if the world is against you, but you are actually against the world, quarreling, condemning, and fighting everyone else, including your family. I heard about you constantly harassing and antagonizing my daughter, and I was not happy about it. She is my last baby. Nobody jokes with her. Nobody crosses her and goes free. But I forgive you. And my advice is that if you want to make anything out of this life, you first work on your character. Take this for your transport. It's 20,000 naira. Take. Come on, take. It's from the bottom of my heart. What about what is going on? Come on.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Please, sir, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. Amaka, please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I misinterpreted the whole thing. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
It's okay. At least you couldn't snatch me from my sugar daddy.
Good luck, Brenda. You fell in love with this character?
No, Dad. I met her just once.
Once?
There is nothing. She even gave me a wrong number. Can you imagine?
Boy, you have to be careful. All that glitters are not gold.
Sure, Dad. I guess I will consult you next time before trying to pick a woman.
You better do.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
That's my baby.
Oh, wow.
How far have you gone with the preparations?
So we are progressing. The invitation cards are ready. And this is the sample.
Okay. This is lovely. You have taste and class.
Thank you, sir.
How many copies did you print so far?
200 copies.
That is not enough. We're talking about my daughter's wedding here. My staff strength is more than 500. I have friends and associates all over the world that will attend. My friend, I advise you to print 2,000 more copies to be on the safe side.
Sir, it's all right. It's all right. It will be done.
So which venue have you chosen for your reception?
Oh, the Lagoon Restaurant.
No, God forbid. That is way too below my class. The New Age Stadium will be more like it.
Huh?
That is very appropriate. Go now and arrange for it immediately.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
James! James! Come here.
He's here.
Oi! Mom?
Yes, son.
Good day.
Hi.
I'm good. I've brought the Ashebi materials.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't it good? Here we go.
I hope this material is not for my daughter's Ashebi.
Lolo, don't you like it?
This is Ankara. Super
Yes.
print.
Yes.
We are talking about my daughter's marriage. My daughter's Ashebi and not yours.
I know. I spent so much time in the market looking for the high quality.
You spent a lot of time doing nothing?
No,
you spent time buying nothing. You went to the market to buy this cheap sachet of pure water? No. For my daughter's Ashebi?
This is of high quality, Lolo.
What quality? You should have brought the money. So we will go and choose what we want based on our class.
No, but we discussed it before.
But what?
You see, babes, now you have made my mother angry. Look at what you went and bought. You could have gotten other better materials, like hand cut, polish and pike, not Ankara. And the lowest grade for that matter, babes. This is not worth it. It's not.
When I asked you to go get them.
Baby, but you know I have been busy with so many other things around. You know that. Babes.
Okay, now, what happens to this?
It's quite unfortunate though, but I promised the modelers babies of some outfits. So I have no choice but to give them this.
Huh?
Yes, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm obviously not going to wear this, babes.
Do you know how much I bought this?
Mommy, I'm coming! See what you're going to do for me. You have to drive home. I'll call you later, then pick it and send it to them. Alright, babes, I love you. Bye.
Just like that?
Yeah, babes. Mommy!
Oh, God. Chief,
please make it fast. I'm in a hurry.
Oh, okay. Chief, please, I need your help. I need about 25 million naira for this wedding. I don't have such money.
You don't have such money?
No.
So in all your years as a banker, you couldn't save ordinary 25 million naira? Even in your new position, where you practically determine your own salary, and all the deals you do behind my back.
Chief, I don't do that.
Shut up, my friend. You don't do any deals. I decide to ignore it because you are my son-in-law. Proposed.
I'm sorry, Chief. Sorry.
I don't do such monkey business. You have to foot the bill as the man. I will support you with the dowry. You do know. That is when I will settle my daughter in a very big way.
Okay.
But for now, you have to do your thing. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I don't believe in pampering people, especially my fellow men. You have to work out your own salvation. Haven't I assisted you enough?
You have.
Let me warn you. Do not disgrace my daughter. Is that clear?
It's clear, sir.
Now move it.
Thank you, sir.
You bankers are so stingy. Driver! Come, let's go.
The world of faith is full of mystery. victory. The world of faith is full of blessings. Some with kind heart, and some with much pride. Power and wealth rules the world. Be careful in life. Know who you are and what you want. Be careful in life. Do what is right and know what you want.
Brother,
But
you've not been okay since this weekend. Are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just work stress.
Stress? I thought this work is less stressful than the former one.
Yes, it is. But in a way, you know, we're still building up. Yeah, but I'm fine. I'm good.
Okay. Your lunch is ready.
Lunch? I'm not hungry. I'm not.
But you've not eaten anything since today. Maybe you have malaria.
Ngozi, malaria. It's okay. Let's go. Let me go and eat lunch. Let's go. I'm fine.
Take a look. I just googled some wedding gown on my phone and look at the one I got. Isn't it extremely beautiful?
Wow. This is nice.
Yes,
This is it.
it's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. I like it.
I like it
I like
too.
it, yeah.
So once we travel to the UK, we'll go to their shopping mall and then get it.
We're going to get it.
Remember, babes, we are flying BA, not all this cheap airline.
No problem. No problem. But remember, I'm coming to pick you early in the morning, so you get prepared. Okay?
To the embassy?
Yeah, we need to go to the embassy and get our visa.
Of course. I'm certain about that. Okay, fine. Then since we are going to go to the embassy in the morning, why don't we leave now? I mean, we have tried for the day. So
I think you're right.
movement tomorrow.
Come on, let's.
So 6
get
a.m.
going.
6 a.m.
You should know that.
No African time.
You should know that.
Okay.
You should know that.
Okay, baby.
Come on, let's go.
What is going on? Lasunto has not stayed out this long before. Oh God, where is my brother?
Goodness.
You're switched off.
Mom, all his lines are switched off.
What's the meaning of this? This is past 7.
This is most unusual of him.
Are you sure he's okay?
I wouldn't know, Mom. Tonto has never kept me waiting. Not on such occasion. Maybe I should go to his house. He might be sick or something. And something must be wrong, Mom. He's never like this.
I think you're right. In that case, let me get the driver to drop you over.
Okay, Mom. That'll be fine.
But make sure you call me as soon as you get there.
Of course I will. Please.
You have to be careful too.
Okay, Mom.
Let me call the driver.
Oh, gosh. No, but I don't know. Where's Tonto? Where is he?
I don't know. I've not seen him since yesterday.
What do you mean you've not seen him? You mean to tell me that he did not sleep here?
No, I thought he was at your place.
Oh my goodness! His phones are switched off.
I've been calling him too.
Where could he have gone to?
Has anything happened to my brother?
Mom, I cannot understand this. What is really happening? I mean, what has happened to my husband? I mean, what's the meaning of all this? Since morning. Oh no. My enemies and bad people have got me. Oh.
Calm down, sweetheart. Your father will be coming back tomorrow. He will find out what is going on, okay?
Mommy, this is so unusual of him. He's not always like this. Since morning, I have not heard from my husband. How? Wait. Mommy, do you think something bad has happened to him? Do you think he's dead? Or maybe he had an accident and died? Or he's at the hospital or something? Maybe we should go check at the hospital, Mommy.
Sweetheart, calm down. How many hospitals do we check?
Then we should go to the police and make a report.
You can't report for a missing person in less than 24 hours.
Oh no.
Before you could go to the police to report for a missing person, you give it 24 hours.
Why are all this happening to me?
Just
Mommy,
calm down.
I am not concentrating on anything I'm doing right now and I'm not focused. I don't know why. Tonto, where are you? We're supposed to be going into the embassy for the visa and then buy ticket and travel to London for my wedding gown and stuffs. But now I cannot even find my husband. I mean, the whole thing is making me so uncomfortable. Let me just keep trying. So uncomfortable now.
Calm down.
No.
Let me hold it.
Same thing.
Let me hold it. You have to calm down. Okay? Everything will be fine.
Mom, it's not easy. It's not easy for me to calm down. My wedding is around the corner. I could barely reach my husband.
Calm down. Stop panicking so much.
I'll try again.
Allow this phone to rest. It's okay. You will be fine.
Okay.
I don't understand what Manchester United is playing. Eh? Since they brought that boy from I don't know where, that paints his head yellow, blue and black. Playing nonsense. I need the Kwanka. Unknown number.
Hello, Uncle Ima.
Hello?
It's me, Ngozi.
Ngozi? Which Ngozi?
Yes, your own Ngozi.
My niece. You have a phone?
Yes, it's a small phone Brother Sumto gave to me, so he can communicate with me anytime. You know he's a very busy person.
Yeah, wonderful. Look at life, oh. Look at my small Ngozi now has a phone, and she can operate a phone. That is wonderful. That is wonderful.
Yes, Uncle. But Uncle, there is a problem.
Huh? Problem?
Uncle, I've not heard from Brother Sumto since. Ever since he left for the office on Monday, I've not heard from him since then.
2 days? Have you called his numbers?
Yes, but he's not responding. They are switched off.
What? This is strange.
I don't know.
Ngozi, have you told anybody about this?
No, I have not. You're the only one I've told, and I don't want to tell Mommy.
Please don't discuss this with anybody. Do you hear me? I wouldn't want mother to hear this. No, she's not feeling fine. Don't worry. I will do something about this. Let me make some contacts and see what is going on. 2 days?
Uncle, you can call me back on this line.
Yes, I will. Don't worry. Maybe he went on outside work or something, okay? Just relax, he will come back.
Bye-bye. Brother Sumto, where are you? Where are you? Brother Sumto, where are you?
What is happening? 2 days. My own brother. I told Sumto about this man the day we went for the introduction. The moment I saw the man, I said, no. Here, I want your way go. This is a money ritual man. Are you sure they have not used my brother for ritual? Hey! I work around Sumto Agwa. He wants to marry a big man's daughter. Ngwano, go. Hey! Emmanuel, how come she wear there?
Obidia, what were you telling me on phone?
Honey, we've not seen Sumto for 2 days now. He was supposed to go to the embassy with our daughter to collect their visa. But we've not seen him for 2 days now, and his phones are switched off.
Where is Oledo?
She's in her room. She's been crying since.
What is the meaning of this? Have you made any report to the police?
I was waiting for you to come back, honey.
Hello, Commissioner. Good evening. How are you doing tonight? Fine. Commissioner, I have a serious problem on my hands now. My son-in-law, who was about to wed my daughter next month, has been missing since Monday. Yes, 2 days now. I was away in Abuja
for a business meeting. Yes. Yeah, he was on seat at work till the end of work on Monday. Well, I suspect kidnap. Some desperate idiots have kidnapped him, hoping to make some ransom demand. I will come over. I will come immediately. Thank you. Obidia.
Yes, honey.
I will rush and see the commissioner at once. But before I do that, let me go and see you all later.
Okay.
Whoever did this will see the other side of me. Kidnap my son-in-law. You have come to the end of your road. The end of your road and the end of your bus stop.
Hello, Ngozi?
Uncle, I'm so scared here. I cannot stay here any longer. I want to come back to the village.
Oh, about what again? What again happened?
Do you know that police people came here yesterday asking me all kinds of questions?
Ha! Police, what are they saying this time?
I don't know. I'm so scared.
Just calm down. I actually called to tell you that I'm coming over to the city.
When?
I am planning to come tomorrow. I would have liked to come today, but I had to see my pastor, the senior pastor, over this matter. And he told me that God is in control. You hear?
No, please come today. I cannot stay here any longer. I'm so scared. I cannot stay here alone. Please come today.
It's all right. It's all right. The Lord is your strength. You hear me? Just calm down. Stay indoors. Don't go out. Don't talk to anybody. Don't open door to anybody. Even if it's police, just stay indoors. Do you hear me? I hope you have food to eat. Yes. Don't worry. The Lord is your strength. Inugo? Oh, Ejibonwa. Sorry. Oh, somto na ilo nwa ogaranya. Ndị ajigo ya gworo ọgwụ ego, but ka na-aga. Hi.
Okay, uncle.
Hey, Akiri. Ọkwa nke aka nọ na ya kịta ahụ. Ọ nke a bụ nke na-eme kịta. My brother, that is the problem I am going through right now. No, they have not called. We have visited several hospitals in town, just in case he was involved in a car accident. But we can't find the young man. We have reported officially to the police. Yet, nothing. It is mind-puzzling. Thank you very much, my good friend. Of course, you know I will keep you posted of any development. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Walaka, shut up! I said I'm coming. You're always whining like a woman. Listen, I told you the MD is not around. I am the CEO, and I'm coming to solve the problem. Okay? And listen, don't call my number again. You'll see me very shortly. Okay?
Mommy, I love you so much. I understand. What do I do now? What do I do, please? I need my son to back. I need him back. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not. I need my man back. I need him, mommy. I need him. Mommy, it's him. It's him. He's alive. He's alive.
Olede, my love, I'm sorry. I have to do it this way. I cannot continue with this marriage because the whole thing is suffocating me. I just have to take the decision because I can't continue deceiving myself. Olede, please, I beg you, help me to ask your father for forgiveness because I'm gone to a far place to continue a new life, and I urge you to move on with your own life. I know you love me and I love you too, but I cannot continue. The whole thing is killing me. I hope you understand. Please, just take care of yourself. Bye.
No! No! No!
What is it?
Mommy, no! No!
Calm down. This is not happening. It's okay. Come on.
You cannot do this to me. You cannot do this to me. You cannot do this to me. Oh my goodness. No, this is not happening.
What is it?
Daddy! Calm down. I can't do it. I can't do it. Calm down. Mommy, what okay? It's okay.
It's okay, my love.
It's okay.
It's okay. It is not the end of your life. Stop crying.
I can't do this. You should do something.
I said it's not the end of your life.
Oh God, please help my brother. I don't want anything to happen to him. Protect him wherever he is right now, please, God. I don't want anything to happen to my brother. I cover him with the blood of Jesus. Anywhere he is now, but I cover him with the blood of Jesus. Nothing will happen to him in Jesus' name. Amen. God, please. There's something in you, please. Go back. Oh God, please help my brother wherever he is now. I don't want anything to happen to him. I cover him with the blood of Jesus. Hello? Hello, who is this? Yes, I'm at home. Here's my brother's house. I shouldn't go out? What exactly is happening? Hello?
Where did you know this boy from? Who is his father? Eh? Look at me. Look at my wife. All the ashebi, all the invitations, all the news everywhere that Odoze's daughter is getting married. Now this. Oh, I will finish that boy once I catch him. Catch him, I will. Now you see why I don't want you associating with a pauper. They have nothing to show, no decorum, nothing to protect. Huh? Listen, wipe your tears. Don't worry. This young man has touched the tail of a tiger, and I will make sure he is devoured.
Oh no, Daddy, please.
It's all your fault.
If you don't hurt him.
Oledo, it is all your fault.
Don't hurt him, please.
Hello, Commissioner. Thank God you called. I've been expecting your call. You remember that boy I told you that worked for me, my MD? He is a fraud. All that talk about kidnap is a frame-up. He duped me of millions of naira and eloped. I want you to put up a manhunt on him and fish him out wherever he is. Also put up a bounty of 5 million naira on his head. I am coming immediately with the money. Thank you. No one messes with Chief Odunze and goes scot-free. I will show that boy the other side of midnight. Now, go back upstairs and rest. Tell your mother I am on my way to see the commissioner. I will handle this. Go upstairs now.
Oledo! 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 Hold on, Oledo! Where are you going to? Oledo! Make sure you don't do anything stupid. Where are you going to? Oledo!
Who is that? Open this door.
Little rats! Please stop there! Stop there, I said! Something wrong with you? You slimy little rat! I've always known that you were going to spoil things for me. I've always known that you have been lying to me all along. Where's your brother?
I don't know where my brother is.
You don't know where he is? You a liar. Now stop talking! Where is Tonto?
I don't know. I've not seen or heard from him since nothing.
If you don't tell me where he is, I'm going to cut off your ear and feed it to you to eat. Where is your brother?
I don't know.
And what about his friend Frank? Where is Frank? What is his phone number? Start calling it immediately. Now!
I don't know where he lives and I don't know his phone number.
You don't know what? You don't know what?
I don't know his phone number.
Get up. Get up. You slimy, cunning witch! I've always known. From the very first day I saw you, I knew you're going to spoil things for me. Now start talking. Where is your brother?
I don't know anything about this.
Shut up! I am very, very sure that you must have convinced him to do what he's doing right now, and you're pretending like you do not know anything about it. I know you don't like me, but I do not like you either. I hate you so much and I hate everything you represent. Don't worry. When all this is over, I will so deal with you. Because only God knows that I can never live with your type. I cannot live with your type. I cannot live with your type. Oh my goodness. I'll kill you. Evil, evil. Bastard!
Oh, Oledo, thank God you're here.
Oh, please! Just say that greetings. Say it! Now you have to take me to where your friend is right now and this minute because I know that you planned all this with him. He couldn't have done it all by himself.
Oledo, I know nothing.
You liar. You are a blatant liar. You cannot tell me that you do not know where your friend is. He couldn't have done it all by himself. Your best friend, for that matter. How?
Listen,
I have been in Port Harcourt for the past 1 week running a project. I equally saw the picture of the missing person on the newspaper, and that's what prompted the urgency of my coming. I'm also here to find out what is happening from his sister. Please, pardon me. When last did you see him?
This is room service. I want to clean the room.
Hello?
Hello, who is there? This person will not agree open doors. Thank God, this one is -1 for me. Make I go rest.
This is Nigerian police. Open this door. Open this door, I break it down.
Officer, sorry, officer. It's not that room. It's 2 OCs.
Oh my God, why are you confusing us? Eh? Show us the main room now.
Sorry, officer. I just checked the register.
So who is in this room?
Ini Edo. And I don't think she's in.
Show us the other room. Okay, do you think that this criminal will escape us? He can only run and he cannot ride. We must track him down. Let's go. Show us the other room.
Ini Edo, you don't want the doctor to see you. You don't want to take the drugs recommended. And you don't want to eat your food. What do you want?
Tell Daddy to remove the bounty placed on Somtochukwu's head. If not, I will not take my medication. I will not leave this house. I'll remain right here.
Ini Edo, you want to go back to that magnanimous pimp? Is that what you want to do?
Father, I'm not going back to him. But I just want you to let him go. Do not hurt him. Let him just go. Let him just go, okay? If you don't do that, I am not taking my medication. I will remain here like this. I'd rather
It's okay.
die.
Honey, please. Please, for our daughter's sake.
Okay. It is very heavy for me to do this, but you know, for you, I'll do anything. But make one promise to me, that you will never go back to that unscrupulous banking misfit called Somto.
Before now, Father, I have decided not to go back to him. So I have no reason going back to him after everything he has done. But what I'm begging you is to just let him go. Do not hurt him, please. That's all I'm asking you. Alright?
Don't worry yourself. I will. I will let it go. I'll put off the bounty. I'll put off the chase. Let him fly like a kite. No problem.
Thank you.
As long as you're happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's Can I bring your drugs now? Or call the doctor?
You can call him.
Thank you, honey.
She'll call the doctor.
Yes.
And some with much pride, power and wealth rules the world. Be careful in life, know who you are and what you are. Be careful in life, do what is right and know what you want. Better you lie hungry than to sell off your right in search of money. Believe in yourself. Hold fast what you have. Maintain your dignity. It's better you lie hungry than to sell off your right in search of money. Believe in yourself. Hold fast to what you have. Maintain your dignity. Be careful in life. Know what you want and whom you are. Be careful in life. Do what is right and know what you want. Just know what you want. Be careful in life. Know who you are and what you want. Be careful in life. Do what is right and know what you want. Lest you lose all. Lest you lose everything. Lest you lose all. Lest you lose all. Lest you lose all. Be careful in life. Know whom you are and what you want. Be careful in life. Do what is right and know what you want. The world of faith is full of mystery. The world of faith is full of lessons. Some with kind heart and some with much pride, power and